Beloved friends, I sit here at the top of the waterfall in what I consider the heart of Mama Shasta, Alwa Meadow. I sit here in prayer, calling in the energies from the celestial realms to ground the frequency of pure light and pure love for this upcoming summit called the Truth Seekers Summit, or the Great Celebration. For those of you that are coming, that have already purchased your ticket, I ask you now to tune in, to start to increase the frequency, the energy of this sacred gathering. For those of you that haven't made up your mind, feel the call of Mama Shasta. The Galactic Council is calling you here. This will be a sacred gathering of those pure in heart, of those pure of intent. We will create a vortex, we will create a portal of luminous love, pure golden light, a Merkaba of such beauty and splendor that will surround us and that will go out and encompass the world and all that is. I'm so grateful to the celestials, to our beloved Source, for calling us together. And I look forward to welcoming you to this great mountain. We have wonderful presenters who will be sharing their talents, their gifts, their wisdom with us. We will also, on Saturday evening, come up on the mountain and see what Mama has in store for us. So thank you for hearing the call, and namaste. Many blessings.